Welcome back again. In this video, I'll be showing you how to specifically add your STAKO Coin, your CROV, and other coins that are there, your Pinomy and the rest that are in your Stakonomy dashboard. So what do you do? First, you go to your wallet, and we're using the SafePal Wallet here, for example. So what do we do? All these coins, they use the same address because they are all in the Stakonomy network. So you just need to copy only one. You copy, for example, the CROV here now, and you click on receive. Okay, you click receive here, and then you copy this address. You go to your Stakonomy portal or your dashboard. On getting to your dashboard, you click on more, and then you click on assets. So you scroll down, and these are the things you are supposed to move. You have your 50,000 STAKO, you have your 2 million other coins each. Then here you have the send address or what. So you're going to click on the amount. For example, you're going to pick the CROV or just anyone, because I said they all use the same address. So we already copied just one address from there. So we'll put it here, and then we put amount. Let's put like 5. And then you paste your wallet address here. So click send to external wallet. Okay, so we have sent to external wallet. Let's go back to the SafePal and see if it has deposited. So we're going to wait a few seconds to see. DOD. So they have virtually the same addresses. Okay. We also check this one. Yes, that's exactly the same. Okay, while we wait for that to come, let's just go to the other ones again and see if we can send one or two more. So here we check for not STAKO this time, but let's just check for CROV, and then we'll paste that. Okay, we'll say like 5, and then we'll put the wallet address here. That same wallet address that you used for the first one is the same thing for every other one. So send to external address. All right, let's go back again, look at our wallet if any of them has arrived. Okay, the CROV has arrived. You can see it now. You have 5 CROV there. That is EVM. So that is it. If you want to send any of your coins, you can just use any of the addresses are available here, and then try to send. The reason why STAKO has not shown up here is perhaps because we didn't activate STAKO from the other side. Okay, so that is it. Thank you.